Hello, this is Matt Byers, and this is video number 3 in the Stonecrest Insurance Services Insurance 101 video series. Today's question is, what is blanket insurance and how does it work? Blanket insurance is a single limit of insurance that applies to 2 or more insured items. So basically you have a single limit, and that single limit can be used for any of a number of insured items. The easiest way to explain it is to use an example. So an example would be, let's say that you are an apartment building owner and you own 3 separate apartment buildings located in separate locations, and each building is worth $1 million. Under a normal insurance policy, you would insure each building for $1 million using what's called a schedule. Using a blanket, you would actually have one insurance policy with one $3 million limit that could be used to pay for any of the 3 locations. So basically, instead of having individual limits at each location, you now have one limit, and the whole limit can be used at any single location. You can even take blanket insurance one step further to make it beneficial for you. In video number 2, we learned about co-insurance, which is where you're basically agreeing to insure a specific percentage of the actual value of your property or your items. Let's say that you now have those same 3 apartment buildings, each worth $1 million, and you decide to buy an insurance policy with a blanket limit that also has a 90% co-insurance clause. Basically, you can now purchase, instead of having to pay for $3 million worth of coverage, you can pay for 90% of $3 million, or $2.7 million in coverage. You still have plenty, since each individual property is only worth $1 million. The chances of having a claim at all 3 properties simultaneously is relatively low. So you still have plenty there in that $2.7 million to cover a total loss at any one location, but you don't have to pay that full $3 million, and you still get the advantage of the coverage. So I hope that's helped you understand blanket insurance. If you think it might be something that's useful for you, or you think you may have issues, or you just have more questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you for watching. This is the Stonecrest Insurance 101 video series, and have a great day.